Hey guys, Casey here. In this video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing of Vijim Pocket LED Video Light, model VL100C. I'm based in the Philippines, and if you're also from here and are interested in getting this product, they do have authorized resellers here in the Philippines. I got mine from Juan Gadgets, and I will share the product link in the description. This pocket LED is from Vijim Ulanzi brand. Video light comes in very compact size, so it is not hard to carry around. This LED light is compatible with all cameras, DSLRs, mobile phones because of its assembly mount. So this LED light has 3 light modes: 100 LED beads with high color rendering, manual dimming feature, bi-color adjustable 3200 to 6500K daylight color temperature, 9 to 19 inch lighting range, and 120 degrees illumination angle. So this LED light has a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery.